Computer Basics Quiz. 10 multiple choice questions. Let's begin. Question 1. What does CPU stand for? Option A. Central Processing Unit. Option B. Computer Personal Unit. Option C. Central Program Utility. Option D. Control Processing Unit. The correct answer is option A. Central Processing Unit. Question 2. Which of these is an input device? Option A. Monitor. Option B. Printer. Option C. Keyboard. Option D. Speaker. The correct answer is option C. Keyboard. Question 3. RAM stands for option A. Random access memory. Option B. Read access memory. Option C. Run access memory. Option D. Random active memory. The correct answer is option A. Random access memory. Question 4. Which of these is an operating system? Option A. MS Word. Option B. Windows. Option C. Photoshop. Option D. Chrome. The correct answer is option B. Windows. Question 5. 1 byte is equal to how many bits? Option A. 4 bits. Option B. 16 bits. Option C. 8 bits. Option D. 32 bits. Correct answer is option C. 8 bits. Question 6. Which device is used to permanently store data? Option A. RAM. Option B. Hard disk. Option C. Cache. Option D. Register. The correct answer is option B. Hard disk. Question 7. Which of these is a valid file extension for an image? Option A. .exe. Option B. .mp3. Option C. .jpg. Option D. .txt. The correct answer is option C. .jpg. Question 8. What is the full form of URL? Option A. Uniform Resource Locator. Option B. Universal Resource List. Option C. United Resource Link. Option D. Uniform Reference Locator. The correct answer is option A. Uniform Resource Locator. Question 9. Which shortcut key is used to copy selected text? Option A. Ctrl plus V. Option B. Ctrl plus X. Option C. Ctrl plus C. Option D. Ctrl plus Z. The correct answer is option C. Ctrl plus C. Question 10. Which of these is an example of an output device? Option A. Mouse. Option B. Scanner. Option C. Microphone. Option D. Monitor. The correct answer is option D. Monitor. That's the end of the quiz. Thanks for playing, and good luck.